So today we made 146% profit trading Tesla 212.5 calls. Here's how we did it. Lots to learn in this trade as well about the importance of setting targets, but also using a stop loss order. So let's get into it. So we are looking at Tesla pre-market. And what do we see? Starts a lot lower in the day, but then we see these massive moves upwards. Like this is a 205 to 210, $5 move upwards. That's huge in a pre-market type setting. So we're really looking for some kind of upwards movement. And so that's what we did. We scoped out, 212.5 calls. I wanted to see Tesla hit this 213 area basically, and then hit 215 as the second price target. And so based on what was happening pre-market, we said we're going to open basically right off the open there. Especially on this here, you can see we're kind of in the prior day struggling around this 210 area, or 210 is an area of confluence. And so we use that as an entry point. And so that's what we did. We entered right here on this first candle, got in at 95 cents, which was decent, although it did go as low as around 70 or 70 cents, I believe, which is fine. This is still within our risk. So we held on through this. And then, as you can see, after 20 minutes, we hit the first price target of this 212 or 213 area. Now, right here on this candle, we put a stop order on just because we might not see enough upwards movement here to hit 215, especially after a big move like this. So we could see some sort of reversal. So we put a stop loss on at $2.35. Cool, it's fine. And then we just got immediately stopped out, which at the time I was like, oh, that kind of sucks. But we got filled at $2.34, so made 146% profit. Now, as you can see, it did reject off this 213 area, and we just fell hard all the way down to 206. Pretty interesting. This could have also been another entry at this point, but I was out and wasn't really looking at the market anymore. But then, as you can see, later on in the day, does hit 215 and then, kind of struggles to break past that, which was our second price target, which is, it's kind of too bad that we missed this other big move, but still, we're happy with what we did. Now, as you can see, we also alerted Apple, or looked at Apple, or said, Apple 195 calls would be a great trade. And it was. Again, though, struggled within the first, hour and a half to really get moving. But then it, ramped up. So a little bit, again, you could have traded it off the open again, made some money there. But again, these moves downwards, tricky to trade when it's whipsawing you like this. Now, why were we looking at kind of 210, 213, 215? So if we go to the daily chart here, so 215, basically because of this, right? There's just too many points touching it to to ignore it. So 215 is an easy one. 210 here, we're basically looking at this and this, hitting these spots as well, prior day's close, that sort of thing. As you can see here, the 206, right? That's also an easy one, which is the low of the day. Should have traded this in hindsight. And then 213, we're looking at this opening number, as well as kind of this one and sort of around here as well. So that's the trade that we did. Tesla 212.5 calls from 95 cents to $2.34 for 146% profit. Again, all alerted live from our Discord, so you can copy and follow the exact same trades that we do. So we'll see you next week, guys. Enjoy the weekend. I might post some other videos, maybe some more educational videos this weekend. We'll see. But enjoy yourselves. Happy Remembrance Day, and we will catch you on the next video.